Grieving a loved one's death can take time, but a brother and sister say that their grief dragged on too long as they waited for money to pay for their mother's funeral. 2 News problem solver Pete Knutson has their story.
Ron says all he could do was sit and wonder as he grieved his mother's death and tried to collect a $5,000 burial policy she had through MetLife.
This has gone on since November. We've been trying since November and could not get anybody to help us.
Ron says he and the funeral home contacted the insurance company several times about the policy and paperwork, and usually, he says, never heard back.
The last time we got a word back from the insurance company, they told us it would be 3 years before we got this settled.
Ron says he and his sister are the only ones left in the family, and the 7-month delay in getting the money to finish paying for their mom's funeral and burial kept an emotional wound wide open.
It's just like it wasn't going to heal. It was never going to end.
Ron finally called the 2 News problem solvers, and we got in touch with the insurance company. Ron says it wasn't long until a company executive called apologizing for the delay. That executive quickly had 2 checks totaling more than $5,000 delivered to both Ron and his sister.
Mixed emotions. In fact, I still get teary-eyed now thinking about that. I couldn't believe it.
Now, Ron says,
she's laid to rest now. Everything's okay.
They can find peace. Pete Knutson, 2 News works for you.